Hello guys, I want to show you how you can use your phone to upload your videos to YouTube in a desktop mode, and you can actually add your end screen and cards to your video. So let's go. So first I have to click on my Google Chrome and it brought me here. So I have to type YouTube desktop version. Okay, once you type it will bring you to sign into YouTube. All right, then you have to click on it. If you're already signed in, it will take you straight to your channel. And if what you are signed in is not the particular channel you want to use or you want to upload with, you can as well click on the top right corner where you have your channel icon. All right, feel free to zoom on your screen like I just did. Should the account here not the one you actually want to upload with, click on the icon at the top right corner and then you see option of switch an account. Click on it to switch to the account you want to upload with, and then go to create. As for me, I'm uploading with this particular account, so I'm just going to create. It will bring you to upload videos. Click on it and then it will bring you to select file. So here on the blue, click on it. It will bring you to take a photo or video, photo library or browse. Of course, I'm using my photo library. All right, here I'll select from my phone the particular video I want to upload. All right, so I've just clicked on the particular video I want to upload, and all it has to do is to start uploading it immediately. So now it is here. This is the desktop version of uploading a video. So here you input your topic. As for me, I'm using a channel intro for this particular one. And then you go to your description, describe what your video is all about. For me, I'm telling them that this is a video, a channel intro for this particular channel. So note guys, you have to have your channel intro that should not be more than a minute or two for a quick one. All right, so this is a channel intro, and then after that you scroll up and select if it is meant for kids or not meant for kids. For me, I normally select not meant for kids. Note that meant for kids videos, a kid has to appear in the video. And then here I am adding my tag. Okay, go to more options. That is where you get your tags. So add anything you want them to write in YouTube and for your video to be amongst what will come up. That is what tags are all about. And then I have to go down to select what the video is made of. If it's entertainment, if it is how to, whatever the category your video belongs to. Okay, so I am putting this as how to and style. Okay, so now the video has finished processing, and after processing it will give you 3 choices of thumbnail. Automatically select for you, and then what you have to do is to select from the 3 the one you so desire, and also a space where you can actually upload your own custom thumbnail. I am selecting this middle one for this video, and after that you go to your next by scrolling down. I am going to zoom this for you to see the next. Okay, click on it. Once you do that, it will take you to the next, which is add elements. As you can see, number 2 over here is add elements. This is where your end screen and your cards comes in. So you have to go to add. Note, do not use the import from videos. Just click on the add for it to be easier for you. And here it will give you some end screen element options. If you want one, which is a subscribe and a suggestion of a video, if you want subscribe and 2 videos, if you want that of playlist. Okay, so here I'm selecting the one that has 3 options, one for subscribe, one for best for viewers, and the other one has playlist. I don't want playlist. I clicked on it and deleted it from this delete bin here, and then I go to element and click on videos. I have to select another video, meaning I'm adding another video. So, and this video says best for viewers, the other one says recently uploaded. So these ones will be automatically selected by YouTube each time anybody is viewing. If you have any recent video, be it that this one came before it or not, they would always bring up that one as end screen, as something for them to choose. When you do that, make sure you come down here to separate your videos, so that they should not just appear once. They can appear one after the other in an even form. When you finish, go up to the screen side, which is where I am now. Make sure you separate your end screen. Stylishly place them how you want them to be, but do not allow any of them to overlap each other. Sometimes it is automatically placed, but if it is not, you can stylishly place them the way you want them to appear on the screen. So when you are done, click on the save here, just here. Click on it, and that is it about end screen. And then it takes you back to where you add your cards. Same place, just under it, click on add, and it will bring you to this page. On this page, you have to select add card just at the top besides the video, and when you click on it, it will take you to this place where you have some videos, some already uploaded videos. Select anyone and click create element. You can also click on add again, add video, go back, select anyone, create element. Here you have options of adding up to 5 cards, but you have to do them one after the other. Remember, cards are those write-ups that appears on the top right corner on the video while you are viewing a video on YouTube. So next thing you have to do is to separate your cards. Do not let them jump pad, and do not let your card start from the beginning of your video. It will distract the attention of your viewer. Alright, so place them somewhere in between and at the end part of the video, somewhere like that, so that your viewers must have seen this video very well before you suggesting them to go check out others of your videos. When you are done, just click on return to YouTube Studio, and that is it about adding your cards. So guys, once you click on return to YouTube Studio, it will take you back, and you have to click on next, which is where you will choose to publish your video or put it in private, depending on when you want to start airing your video. But for this video, I am putting it on unlisted. Remember, videos that are unlisted are not really visible to everybody. It is only visible to people that has the link of the video. Okay, so I made this video for the sake of this tutorial. I don't really want to publish this video, so I am putting it on unlisted, and after then you click on save. So that is it about uploading your video using your phone in desktop form, and also achieving adding your end screen and cards. So guys, here is the link of this video. If you look carefully, you'll see the link under these icons, these social media icons. So all you have to do is just to click on copy, and that is it. And your video is already part of the videos in your channel. I hope this made sense to you. Please guys, share this video, like it, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in my next one. Bye.